Google will reveal the Pixel 9 series at the Made by Google event on August 13. But how will they differ from past generations? I don't know about you, but I'd like to see Google create a new set of features that would blow the competitors away. According to rumors and leaks, the Pixel 9 series will catch up with some of the market's top rivals. I won't keep you waiting too long, but here's what we've heard regarding the Google Pixel 9 and Google Pixel 9 Pro, as well as a possible new Pro XL edition for the Pixel line. The Google Pixel 9 series will be launched on August 13 at the search engine giant's Made by Google event. The only year Google did not launch in October was 2020, when the pandemic interrupted the digital hardware industry. Meanwhile, the basic Pixel 9 is expected to include an updated camera system, promising sharper photographs and a smoother user experience. Whether you're a tech geek, a photographer, or just a fan of Google's legendary Pixel series, we've got all the juicy details you need to know before the official release. Buckle up, everyone, as we set out to uncover the latest and greatest from Google's Pixel 9 series. Pre-orders for the highly anticipated Pixel 9 series will open on August 13, 2024, with devices available for purchase 9 days later on August 22. However, there is one important exception. The groundbreaking Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the latest Pixel Buds Pro 2 will not be available immediately. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold, with its innovative folding design, is expected to be released on September 4, while the Pixel Buds Pro 2, with improved audio and AI capabilities, will be available on September 26. This staggered release strategy might be a deliberate attempt by Google to limit demand, provide timely software updates, or create a different buzz around each product. Whatever the case, eager purchasers will have to wait a bit longer to get their hands on these groundbreaking gadgets, so set reminders as the countdown to the Pixel 9 series debut has officially begun. Google's Pixel 9 series is expected to get 3 major updates: a new 45-watt charger, storage improvements, and a fresh design approach. Furthermore, enhanced storage space will allow clients to preserve their favorite experiences and applications. In terms of design, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold stands out because of its unique camera island, which is properly positioned to prevent visual clutter. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro have flat corners for a comfortable grip and a sleek appearance. The pill-shaped camera island on these smartphones exudes beauty while still possessing advanced photographic capabilities. These design elements combine to create a coherent and modern look that distinguishes the Pixel 9 series from its predecessors. With these upgrades, Google is poised to provide a fantastic user experience that is both functional and visually appealing. The most recent official drawings of the Pixel 9 series have been unveiled, revealing an astounding selection of color options. The devices will be available in 4 hues, each with a distinct personality. The green version has a soft, muted tone reminiscent of misty woods. Obsidian, on the other hand, exudes sophistication thanks to its deep, rich black color. Porcelain, a delicate pastel tone, lends the ensemble a sophisticated feel. Finally, the rose hue casts a warm and pleasant light on the electronics. Each color has been carefully selected to match the Pixel 9 series' exquisite design, resulting in a personalized customer experience. With such a diverse palette, choosing the appropriate shade will be difficult. Will you choose the subdued green, the dramatic obsidian, the lovely porcelain, or the brilliant rose? The choice is yours. With an incredible offer, Hulu is boosting the Pixel 9 series experience. With some purchases, you may be eligible for a complimentary 12-month subscription to Google One Premium. This membership offers various benefits, including more cloud storage, exclusive discounts, and enhanced security measures. Google One Premium users get 2 TB of cloud storage, which is perfect for storing high-quality images and videos, as well as premium support and expert advice, improved security features, advanced malware protection, and exclusive discounts on Google services and products. Furthermore, rather than the traditional complementary accessories such as Pixel watches or buds, Google may provide storage increases. This modification may provide consumers with greater practical benefits by allowing them to store more content, apps, and memories on their devices. With this offer, Google reaffirms its commitment to providing a comprehensive and premium experience for Pixel 9 series customers. We've already seen some precise details leak, including 45-watt rapid charging for at least certain smartphones. That would involve the development of a new charger, which this latest leak may give us an early peek at. However, the charger's primary design should remain the same, with a half-oval shape and a USB-C port at the bottom. That means the cable used to charge your Pixel 9 devices will not protrude from the back of the socket, where it may be grabbed by someone walking too close as they pass. Mystery Lupin posted what appeared to be press photos of Google's new charger. The 2-pin European form, as well as plugs from the United States, Australia, the United Kingdom, and other countries that do not use the Type-C connector, will seem somewhat different. This means that your cable may extend further than you would want. Nonetheless, the form is reasonably small and much more visually appealing than Google's 30W Pixel charger, which is essentially a massive brick. We expect to hear more about Pixel 9 charging speeds and the cost of the 45W charging brick during the Made by Google event on August 13. Until then, check out our Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Folds for the most current updates and rumors regarding the next phones. Stay tuned for further updates, and share your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9 range in the comments section below. So let us know what you think about this similarity in the comments area. Then I'll meet you with the next one. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.